Hey guys, this is Prajakta from Pretty Crafty Tales. So as I had promised, this is a flip through of my A5 Hobonichi Cousin Avec planner. This is my main planner. I also have a Foxifix personal white ring. So this is not the first time that I'm flipping through. Of course, I'm showing the weekly and daily pages for the first time, but I have other videos for this planner which includes the setup of it. So you can I'll just try to link them in the description box. So there I have shown all these things, how I have done this. So this is the completed mood board or mood urine pixels, I don't know how do you call that. Anyway, this has other things as well, so you can watch those videos. These are my monthlies, and I don't really want to show these because they have personal information. Then these are my weeklies. I have pictures of most of these spreads on my Instagram, which I'll link below. And I have some pictures of my dailies as well. I'll be uploading pictures of my dailies later on. So I think I'll show all the weeklies that I have completed till now. But for the dailies, right now I'll just show for 1 month, because otherwise the video will be too long. So I have to do all this. So yeah, these are my dailies, and at the start of every month, as we all know, there's this blank page, and there was some space here as well at the start of the year. So I just hand lettered this and these things. I guess I have shown this in an earlier video, I'm not sure, and I think explained this as well in one of the videos. So here are my dailies. In the photos I sometimes blur out things, but here I'm showing you all the things because I don't really want to put the time and effort to do that blurred box thing. But I just hope no one, I don't mind if you read it, just don't be judgmental. So I'm just flipping through quickly, but so here February starts. Maybe I can just go through a few of the things here. Yeah, for example, I mostly use stickers from either my shop or shop swaps or printables. So yeah, this one is hand drawn by me, and then these are hand drawn by my cousin sister. This is from Plan So Cute. So some of her stickers were printables, and some of them I received in a shop swap, as in I sent her some stickers and she sent me some. So these are from Ramona and Friends and Sadie and Me shop swap. So I have a lot of stickers from Ramona and Friends and Plan So Cute, and of course my shop. I use washi tapes, and I use sticky notes as well. Sticky notes are mostly bought by me, or I receive them in swaps and stuff. So yeah, I also use a lot of highlighters and markers just for the border, because as we all know, just see how chunky this has become, and I still have to cover May and June, 2 months. So yeah, it's going to get more chunky. So that is why it's not that I try to limit use of stickers, because I can't live without stickers. Anyway, but as you can see, my handwriting is a bit big, and I love hand lettering, so that is why I sometimes use such borders instead of these small stickers. So yeah, this was from my order from Miss Caramel. I'm not sure how to pronounce that name, but yeah, that was from that shop. Stickers which I ordered, and I'm not going to name all this where all the stickers are from. If you have any queries, you can just comment below the timestamp and the sticker, so I'll let you know from which shop that is. So how I do my spreads is, now this is a cutout from a magazine, and Yeah, so how I start my spreads is by laying out the washi tape. It depends on my mood or what colors I have used recently. If I try to balance different designs and colors, like some of them have florals, some of them have cutesy washies. So yeah, I first try to decide the washi tape, and then I coordinate the markers or the stickers with that. If I have a lot of space, I try to put weekend banners and do bigger lettering and such. So as you can see here, there's some space. I just try to cover it up with washi tape. So here's another bigger doodle. Here I just wanted some border around this, and this is just doodled by me. I have a similar stamp as well. This is also doodled by me. So yeah, I try to do that. I try to draw and paint as well. This is a sticker, but I try to draw and paint as well. I'm not really that great at it, but yeah, I try. And this is also drawn by me and on a sticker paper. So yeah, here's some cutesy washi tape, and so this is also doodled by me. This is a sticker doodled by me. So once the washi tape is laid down, I just decide how much space I'm going to need for that particular spread. I do one day at a time mostly, but yeah, see how I forgot to do this anyway. So I do one day at a time, and yeah, so I usually try to match both the pages, like the washi tapes and the color, but usually I complete one page at a time. So accordingly, I use the deco. I don't like to mix silver and gold together. If there's some gold on one page, I try to stick to gold. I guess I said my shop, but my shop is closed. It's kind of permanently closed because I just don't have the time. I have a full-time job, as most of you all know, and having a shop is not just making stickers and packaging them cutely, but there are a lot of boring things, and I have to spend a lot of time on laptop in my office, and then I have to again spend a lot of time on my personal laptop for this shop. So I just thought I'll stop doing it for now, so that I get more time for myself and my hobby instead of just doing admin kind of things. So here's again another doodle. This is the sticker made by me. This is from my friend's shop, Tropical Paper Co. Then this is vinyl, I don't know how do you say that. This is just a part of a sticky note from Paper Kumako, which I cut out. So yeah, this is how I do it. And for the weekly, I just wanted to show you all. So initially, what I had planned to do, I did not kind of stick to it, was wake up time was marked by this yellow, and sleep time, at what time did I sleep in the night, was marked by blue, and then my meals here. But then I started decorating a lot, which I love, but then it used to get mixed up with the time, especially the wake up time. So then I stopped doing it. I also used to, as you can see here, I wrote it on my daily pages, but then I forgot to do that as well, because I have drawn this on my own, as in using a stencil for these circles, and then doodled this part. But then that was really helpful, because my sleep and wake up time during when I have office is quite fixed, but not my nap time. So I wanted to bring it back, and that is what I started doing again somewhere here. Yeah, as you can see, the gray is now nap time. I have not highlighted these things here. Probably I should go and complete that. But yeah, this was really helpful to see at what time I woke up. 7 and then 9 means 7 o'clock I woke up to fill water, as in at our house we do have water 24/7, but then I don't know, those who live in India, maybe they know that at a specific time in the morning we get the water which we have to fill, for drinking and all those things, cooking, etc. So yeah, so I wake up at that time 7 and then again slept and woke up at 9, because as you can see I had slept at 12, 2 o'clock. I just wanted to see then how much sleep I got and what is the fluctuation in sleep times. Here I slept at 11 but didn't get sleep for an hour, so I slept finally at approximately 12. So yeah, I would like to continue that again, because I find that really helpful. At the end of every month, what I also wanted to do was make a chart of every week, like how many hours I have slept, which I did not really do. I had planned to do that here somewhere on my monthly page, so but I did not do that because I just forgot, and I did not get time because I spent a lot of time in decorating all these things. Again, this, where is that? This I doodled. So yeah, I wanted to do that but I didn't do that. Let's see if I do it in maybe June or May. I'm not yet sure. So I think in the next videos I'll do a flip through of the rest of the month's daily pages. I won't be going through all the weekly and monthlies at time. I'll just flip through maybe 2 months at a time for the daily pages. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this and found this useful. If you have any questions or if you have anything to say to me, or if you found this useful, just let me know in the comments. Enjoy, take care, bye bye.